So this is from the Alimajo deposit in Malawi, which produces some of the most incredible colored small agates in the entire world. This is what looks like a quartz pocket. Then another part of the broken window over here. So I will be cutting from this corner over the top, over here, and then hopefully have two beautiful, nice specimen halves. It's a floater. Wow. So this is the smaller half and this is the bigger half. Wow. This is a beautiful floater from the Alimajo location in Malawi.